astronomy versus astrology. What is the difference? Although astronomy and astrology sound similar and their practices have common roots, they are still very different to one another. The word astronomy comes from a Greek word astronomos, where astron means star and nomos means arranging. Hence, together, astronomos means star arranging. Over the years, the English word for astronomos became astronomy. Similarly, astrology comes from a Latin word astrologia, which is derived from a Greek word where astron or astro means star and logia means account of the stars. Astronomy is a branch of science, and it is the study of everything in the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. That includes objects we can see with our naked eyes, like the sun, the moon, the planets, and the stars. It also includes objects we can only see with telescopes or other instruments, like faraway galaxies and tiny particles. Astrology, on the other hand, is an attempt to study the ways a planet's motions and positions affect people on Earth. Astrology is considered a pseudo-scientific practice. Pseudoscience is a practice of thought or theory that cannot be proven by scientific method of observation and physical experimentation. For millions of years, the main motivation for astronomical observations was to make accurate horoscope predictions. However, astrology was considered a mainstream science until the late 1600s, when Isaac Newton proved gravity was the reason behind the effects of celestial bodies on each other through physical experimentation. Since then, astronomy has become a completely separate stream that falls under science and mathematics to study the universe as a whole through scientific experimentation, observations, and calculations. Astrology is more meaning-derived, rather than it being something that can be scientifically proved or measured. People who study astrology are called astrologers, and people who study astronomy are called astronomers. In astrology, calculating the positions of the stars and planets could be the astronomy component. But studying and understanding how the various celestial factors correlate with human life is the astrological component. Astronomers base their studies on research and observation. Astrology, on the other hand, is the belief that the positioning of the stars and planets affect the way events occur on Earth. To an extent, these subjects go hand in hand. However, one should know that astronomy and astrology are different subjects with a different set of goals. These subjects did overlap thousands of years ago, but today they are practiced differently. Each subject is intriguing in its own way. So, what would you like to be? An astronomer or an astrologer?